The stable unit structure of the Guard provides a unique tool to build enduring security partnerships across the globe.
Spolupráca medzi vašimi podôstojníkmi a nami je vynikajúca.
And the cooperation between your NCOs and us is very great.
It's a relationship that's built on mutual trust. It's been built also under fire, and we have worked together very, very well. And I think the strength of that relationship, as General Wood said, it's no longer a partnership of friends, but really a sense that we are one family.
Because we really see this as a team effort. When disasters strike, one of the first things, one of the first options the governor has when locals need more resources is to call out the Guard.
We work the National Guard all the time. It's a really good pairing. You guys are great at the logistics and all that sort of stuff. We have some special capabilities that are a little bit different than what you guys have, but it's a really great partnership that's always worked really well to tie both together and to get the job done.
The Guard provides a definite need and assistance on that heavy fire, large fire support role mission. Water dropping, passenger troop shuttles, and we have a rescue ship currently stationed at Mather with paramedics and hoist capabilities.